Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing, and in today's video I found some F case Hot Wheels or G case, I don't know which one it is. I think it's G case, and the first one is a Jaguar MK1. Let's open it. And here it is. Now wait just one sec. That's much better. The second Hot Wheels, that's the Wii for Wader. Next Hot Wheels, BMW M3 wagon. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty cool looking model. Now stay tuned for the end of the video because I'll be opening a treasure hunt. Now the next Hot Wheels, Nissan Skyline R30. Let's open it. And here it is. At first I thought that's a pretty strange cover, but it's interesting. And the next one is a Stingray convertible. Let's open it. And here it is. Now a fun fact about this Hot Wheels. Do you see that? If you shine a light through it, the headlights glow. There was a blue one and now there's a red one. And I'm pretty sure, no, maybe it was a white one. I think the blue one was last year. The next Hot Wheels, Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, this is like a V-color. This is like a third V-color. As you can see, we have the BMW, the Jaguar, and the 3 V-color. Let's see whether I can pull out a brand new one. That's for later. And the next one, 71 El Camino Mainline Edition. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty nice model. That's like a new model. I think it's a new for 2024, but the shortcuts do not say that. Next model. Wait a minute, that's for later. That's my bottle. Ford Performance Super Van 4. Let's open. And here it is. Pretty interesting looking model. Now I don't know how many. Oh, there's. How many of these do I have? Like I went to 2 stores. So yeah, I have like 6 Hot Wheels from one store and 6 Hot Wheels from the other store. Anyway, the next one is a 94 Audi Avant RS2. Let's open it. And here it is. Now this is a pretty nice looking model. Now let's see what else do I have. Oh. Now the most exciting one, Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe Clip. Let's open it. And here it is. Why is my camera not the right way? And there we go. Now I brought out like the original Clip Car, but apparently they now have real model. And the next one is a Humvee. Let's open it. And here it is. Very nice model. The biggest model so far. Let's see. Oh, yes, we have more. The next one is a Hero Hunter Merc. Let's open it. And here it is. Now stay tuned because, did I already forget? We are opening the Dragon Wagon. The Dragon Wagon, after I go through my Hot Wheels. That's from a different store. Not that. Same for that one. Not that. Do I have anything? I think I don't. Yep. That's like another one. Take a look at my other hot tools while I pull out the correct one. Not it. I think. Let me. No, that was it for the new case. Now the next one, Dragon Wagon. Let's open it. And here it is. Now next model, I like older one because I went to that store first and then this one. The first one is the Wayne Lowrider. Let's open it. And here it is. Now if you saw that 42 Hot Wheels video, you know that I did have this one. I believe it was in part 3. Now the next one is a brick in delivery. Let's open it. And here it is. I usually don't like this, but now that I have it, it's a pretty cool model. The next one, GT Scorcher. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, the next model, I purchased 4 of. And you know when you see it. Loopster. I bought 4 of these. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I bought these to connect to each other. Let's unbox the first one. And here it is. Second loopster. Let's open that one as well. And here it is. The rear one is the one that we open. Now the third loopster. Let's open that one as well. And here it is. Now I've attached it to the front. And the next one is a fourth loopster. Let's open that one as well. And here it is. Now this is that one, the only one which is hands up variant. Now if you flip this upside down, you tell which one is which. 36, 38, 40 and 41. Wow, 4 models, 4 weeks. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye! Wait a minute, I can't end the video. I have yet to film the 2 Hot Wheels. And the next one is a minecart. Let's open it. And here it is. I almost forgot to film these 2. And the last one, the Tankinator. Sorry about that burp. Let's open it. And here it is. Look how easy it spins. Let me get out my previous Tankinator. Nah. You have to watch the opening 42 Hot Wheels Part 3 to see that Hot Wheels. Or wait for me to upload it as a short. And that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.